In this video lesson, I'm going to show you what's inside the Thinkific administrator account and start customizing it a bit. So let's get started. We created our account, now it's time to explore it a bit. Here's a welcoming video, that's a nice touch. Here you can customize your player, that is the video player that your students will watch the lessons on. Let's change the name of the course and maybe choose some colors for the course player. Now, if you already have some colors for your brand, you can definitely start choosing them here. If not, you can always change them later. Maybe some cold colors for my meditation course. Let's leave it like this for now. Also here you can upload your logo, save and continue. Now let's preview the course player. Here's the name of my course and my school, a couple of video lessons and a survey. Also here you can see different types of lessons that you can upload and create on Thinkific platform, like presentations, lessons that your students can download, quizzes, texts and so on. Now let's say you want to build your course. You can see Thinkific helps you in finding your way through this, which is great in case you're getting lost. Let's follow this and here you can see your first course. Also, this is the place where you will see all of your courses. If you want to create memberships and add bundles, you have to upgrade. You can see here different categories. In case you have different courses on photography and video or painting, your students can search courses that fit a certain category. On the instructors page, you can see who are the instructors in this school. And you can also add others using the button in the top right corner. The video library is the place where you can find all the videos you upload. Here you can also see some analytics, change settings, and so on. In the next section, you can share the revenue between instructors or those who participate in the creation of a particular course. In case you create a course, then someone else edits the audio or video or designs different slides, etc. One of the options is to share some revenue with the team members in case you have one. If you need this, you have to upgrade in order to have access to this feature. In the next section, you can design the site of your Thinkific school. Select Site Builder, and they are offering a Site Builder tour. Let's take it really quick. Here on the left, you have the pages on your school site. Now, if you want to see how a page looks, just click the page. Here is how the home page looks at the moment. Then, if you want to edit different aspects of your school site, you can also do it. Let's say this is the name of my course. You can change the size of the text, the image, the text alignment, and so on. You can also add buttons and customize them as you wish. And here, you can choose some settings for the theme of your site. Let's try some styles. That's nice. Here you can customize colors, then save the changes you made. You can always customize this page later. Now, let's see what's under Theme Library. Here you can see the theme my Thinkific online school has at the moment. If you want to try other theme options, click here. And you can see some examples that you can start from. This style is pretty cold. I would use it if I would have courses on different softwares or programming. But it's a clean style. I like it. Let's see another one. This theme is warmer and I would make changes for my meditation school. By the way, I use meditation only as an example for my online school. I'm not a meditation expert. Okay, now let's move on. Here you can preview your site. Man, the choice of colors is not cool. Okay, so here you can see what we got so far on our online school. Now let's move to the market and sell section. Here you can create coupons or discounts for your courses. And here you can create a kind of custom buttons and place them on your site for people to buy. Here you can see all the orders that took place on your school. And this is the integrations part. This is where you can connect your school with different services and softwares. For example, you can choose Stripe and PayPal for accepting payments from your students. You can integrate Shopify, Google Analytics, and so on. Another important integration that Thinkific offers you in the free plan is the Facebook Pixel integration. Then in here, you can integrate your Thinkific school with your email marketing provider. But as you can see at the moment, these integrations are available only if you upgrade your plan, as it is the case with other growth tools. If you want affiliates to promote your courses, you can set up this here. The advanced reporting, where you can see your reviews, orders, enrollments, and students' engagements, is only available in Pro Plus Growth Plan. In the Support Your Students section, you can see your students. You can create groups and see different reports on how your students are advancing through your courses. Here you can create a community of your students. Then here you can offer different types of certificates for those who finish your courses. Moving on to discussions and reviews of your courses, and in the assignments section, you can see the assignments your students submitted, in case your course contains such assignments. In the next section, you can create different quizzes and surveys. Next, this is where you can select when you should get notifications and when your students should get notifications. In the settings section, you can customize different settings related to your online school. Here, for example, you can edit the link to your Thinkific school. Let's change this and confirm. When you change your school's URL, the older link will no longer exist. Confirm, and there you go. This is our new school link. In the learning content section, you can change different settings related to the course player. And one of the cool features I liked is that you can change your school's language. If your courses are in another language than English, you can search here, and if you are lucky, they have your language as an option. Tu peux offrir tes cours en différentes langues, ça dépend de la langue que tu utilises dans tes cours. Oops, let's change back to English. In this section, you can use some personalized language. Like instead of rate this course, you can say things like give this course a 5-star. Another cool feature is that you can allow your students to log in with their social media accounts like Google or Facebook. Here you can use some more text customization. Then in the code and analytics, you can insert different pieces of code, like say tracking codes like the Facebook pixel and other types of tracking. In your account, you can see different update plans you can choose to upgrade to. There is the basic one. You can also see the difference between the price if you pay monthly or annually. Here you can see what is your current plan. And here you can see another information on why you should upgrade. When you select Upgrade Now, basically you are coming back to the Update Plan section. If you click on My Training, you should have access to some courses regarding setting up Thinkific. Oops, I didn't verify my email. Okay, there is a problem, but I'll try to log in anyway using the login for this Thinkific account. That seems to work. Let's start course. And here you have a little course regarding the creation and pricing of your course and building your online school website. And right here you can see the Thinkific Help Center if you encounter difficulties with your Thinkific account. So this is pretty much the tour of a Thinkific administrator account. There are settings and parts of this account that you will use almost daily, and others that you will never touch, but you know now, they exist. This goes differently from case to case, as there are different instructors teaching different topics, having different course strategies. Now, for your assignment, navigate through your Thinkific administrator account and see where are the things located. When you feel comfortable navigating through it, I'll see you in the next video.